Hello everyone, welcome back to my 30 days English speaking challenge. Today is day 28 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. Today I want to share my English speaking journey. Friends, I belong to a middle class family. My father never forced me to do anything. He always said, "What do you want to do in your whole life?" And from my childhood, I always wanted to learn English speaking. But friends, during my study time, I could not find a good English teacher. Still, I never gave up. I started learning English from YouTube, but I could not learn properly because I had not consistency and no English environment. That's why. Later, when I came to Andhra Pradesh, I realized how important English. Most people here do not know Hindi, and because of that, I faced many problems. That times I decided now I must learn English speaking. From that day, I started my English learning journey seriously. Today I can say that my English speaking is a little bit better. I know it is not perfect because unfortunately I still don't have an English speaking environment. That is why I am making this video. And I believe one day I will become fluent in English. Right now I am just trying my best to improve my English communication skill. Friends, if you are learning something, please never give up. It doesn't matter you come from. It doesn't matter how slow you are learning. What matters is you are not stopping. If I can improve, you can also improve. Just keep practice every day. So friends, in this video I shared my English speaking journey, and please comment me if you are watching this video, and if you are an English learner, so please comment me yes, and do you want practice with me? So please comment me. I will contact you for improve our English, and we will practice together. Thank you for watching this video.